No.
Alpha is
One
equal to
zero
7
is
beta.
7 times other.
Ma'am,
Alpha
firstly,
is 7 times beta. This is what they have given. Yeah. Then find first the relations. Alpha plus beta is
8 beta.
8
from the equation. Alpha
by
plus
3.
beta is minus b by a. Now substitute the value. Alpha value is 7 beta. So 7 beta plus beta is equal to what is minus b?
8
Is
by
plus
3.
8 by 3. So 8 beta is equal to 8 by 3. So beta is equal to 8 by 3 into 1 by 8. This 8 goes here division. This 8 get cancelled. So beta is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? And what is alpha then?
7 by 3.
7 by 3 alpha value. Now what are they asking to find out? Find the value of k. K is present in the C term. That means alpha into beta is C by A. So what is alpha? 7 by 3. What is beta? 1 by 3. What is C? Minus 2k minus 1. What is A? 3. So here this 1 by 3 will be transferred to that side as into 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancel. Minus 2k minus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. 3 will be transferred to RHS. Minus 6k minus 3. Then minus 3 will be transferred to LHS. 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 6k. So 10 is equal to minus 6k and k is equal to 10 by minus 6, which is 5 minus 5 by 3. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so
46 one.
you took any one of the 0 and then found the value of k.
Yeah. $37th. Anyone has
Now
doubt?
I have a doubt. 37.
Completed 36, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Still half of the students' camera is not on. These are all 1 markers and these are very important questions from this chapter. So in objective question, they ask these all questions. And even in case study. In case study also, one of the question will be like this. I will tell you how the case study asked. In this chapter, one case study is sure shot. Okay. Now what they have given here, alpha and beta are the quadratic polynomial. This one. Who has solved this question?
Ma'am, I have solved it.
Ma'am, I solved.
Ma'am, I have solved it.
Ma'am, even me.
Okay, Ritika, can you tell?
Ma'am, we need to first find out alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a.
Hmm.
And we get k plus 6.
That's right. Minus of minus k plus 6 is plus k plus 6, right? By 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Yeah. And then we'll find the product of zeros, which is alpha beta, which is 4k minus 2 by 1. So you get 4k minus 2.
Right. So it is 2 into 2k minus 1 will become 4k minus 2. C value is 4k minus 2. By A value is 1. So C by A is 4k minus 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am. And then we can substitute these values in alpha plus beta is equals to half alpha beta. And then
alpha
we
plus
get
beta
k
is k plus 6 is equal to half into
half 4k minus 2.
4k minus 2. Okay, so this 2 will transfer that side. 2k plus 12 is equal to 4k minus
4k
2.
minus 2.
So 2k.
And then 2k minus 4k is equals to minus 2 minus 12, which gives minus 2k is equals to minus 14, which gives k is equals to 7.
Right,
Ma'am, I
very
made a
good.
mistake in the first part only, ma'am. I wrote k minus 6 instead of k plus 6.
38, 39, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anyone has doubt in 38, 39, 40,
No, ma'am.
41, 42?
41.
Yes, ma'am.
41 and
doubt,
40.
ma'am.
I'm 41.
And
41.
42.
Identity.
Ma'am is
So here alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24. So relation between alpha square plus beta square, identity.
alpha plus beta whole square minus 2ab. I got 2 alpha beta.
Is equal to 24. So what is alpha plus beta? From this equation, minus 4 by k, and alpha beta is plus 4 by k. Simplify. Minus 4 by k whole square minus 2 into 4 by k is equal to 24. So this is 16 by k square minus 8 by k is equal to 24. Take LCM. LCM is, what is LCM of k square and k?
K square.
K square. So here you are not supposed to multiply. And this here, 8k is equal to 24. Now this k square will be transferred to RHS. 16 minus 8k is equal to 24k square. Now bring all these terms on RHS. 0 is equal to 24k square plus 8k minus 16. Now all three are divisible by 8. So first understand and then write. Don't immediately copy down. Try to solve by yourself after understanding. 8 threes are plus 8 ones are minus 8 twos are. So this is your quadratic polynomial. Factorize it by middle term splitting. Product needed is minus 6. So difference of two terms should be 1. That is 3 and 2. So 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2. 3k common, k plus 1 minus 2 into k plus 1 equal to 0. So k plus 1 into 3k minus 2 equal to 0. So value of k is either minus 1 or 2 by 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 42.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt in question 45.
Okay. I'm checking one by one. 41 done. I will cover up each and everything. Whoever has doubt in 42, doubt is there?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Suppose complete 41, then I will solve 42. 43 also? Any doubt in 43?
No, ma'am.
44?
Until where have
Yes,
you told
ma'am.
us to solve?
47.
Oh,
You're not solved.
I did it till 41. I thought we had to do it till 41.
47, I told. All are similar questions.
Ma'am, I have doubt in 42,
Ma'am, 45th.
54, and 45.
45, everyone has a doubt that I know. 45, I need to solve. 44th, you're solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good then. People are more intelligent. 44 you have solved. Okay. 41 done. Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 42. What they are given? Alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus k. Find k such that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. Again, we
Ma'am,
need to
done that.
use identity here.
Done that, ma'am. Just now.
Alpha square plus beta square. How to write?
Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta.
Minus 2 alpha beta, and then this is plus alpha beta is equal to 21 by 4. So simplify alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta will become minus alpha beta, that is equal to 21 by 4. Substitute the value. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus 5 by 2, and alpha beta is equal to k by 2. Substitute this value. Minus 5 by 2 whole square minus of k by 2, that is equal to 21 by 4. 25 by 4 minus k by 2 is equal to 21 by 4. Minus k by 2 is equal to 21 by 4 minus 25 by 4. That is equal to minus 4 by 4 is minus k by 2. Minus sign cancel both the sides. Minus get cancel. K by 2 is equal to 1. So k is equal to 2. Clear? Identity
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very important. Now you are supposed to use identity many places. Whatever the identities you have learned last year, polynomial chapter, you have to apply everywhere.
Hello.
45th double identity you use.
Then can you solve 44?
Square difference. That means
So alpha square minus beta square
squared difference. Alpha minus beta whole square
Okay, fine.
is 144.
Yeah.
Then you can solve. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta.
Yeah.
Then substitute values.
Which one is this?
45.
Okay, ma'am.
Now listen very carefully, everyone. Somewhat complicated. Now in this case, first, what is the value of alpha plus beta? This is your equation. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. What is the value of a? 1. B value?
Minus b.
Minus p. And c value? Q. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus p by 1, which is equal to plus p. And the alpha beta is c by a, that is q by 1, which is q. Okay, clear? Now we have to find the value of this in terms of this. So we'll start with LHS. We have to find the value of alpha square by beta square plus beta square by alpha square. Now don't write, please. Understand and then copy down. So now here first we have to simplify this by taking LCM. LCM will be alpha square, beta square. So in this case, denominator is beta square. So this fraction we have to multiply with alpha square. So this will become
Alpha power 4.
alpha to the power 4 plus
Beta power 4.
beta to the power 4. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square. This is alpha square whole square plus beta square whole square by alpha beta whole square,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now it is in the form of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what is a? A is alpha square, right? So a plus b, that is alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square divided by alpha beta whole square. Now this one again, here it is alpha square plus beta square. So again we have to use identity, that will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and now square of this minus 2 alpha square beta square. Is this clear? 2 times we have used the identity. One, it is fourth power. Here we have used one identity first. And again inside bracket, we can see alpha square plus beta square is that. So again, the factors of this identity used in place of alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. The square of it, here written as the square of it, minus this part as it is, divided by alpha beta whole square. Is this clear, step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood the step, what has been done? 2 times
Yes, ma'am.
factorized. So alpha plus beta square is p square minus 2q whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square is q square. Clear?
Ma'am, alpha plus beta is P, right?
Yeah. And square of it?
So P square.
So that is I have written p square.
Okay, yeah, okay, fine, fine.
Now again it is square. So this square we have to write. It will be, what is the square of this?
P power 4 minus 4q square plus 4q square
Plus 4q square
minus 4p square q
minus 4p square q minus 2q square by q square. Now this is 4q square, this is 2q square. P to the power 4 plus 2q square minus 4p square q by q square. This is clear? And now divide separately. P to the power 4 by q square plus 2q square by q square minus 4p square q by q square. So this q square cancel, 1q cancelled. So it will be equal to p to the power 4 by q square plus 2 minus 4p square by q. This is what you have to prove. Check the question. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
P
ma'am.
to the power 4 by q square. P to the power 4 by q square minus 4p square by q plus 2. Right?
Ma'am, can you show the answer from starting?
Completed?
Yes,
I don't think so any problem. 46 and 47. 47th is a repeat.
ma'am.
It's a repeated question.
Ma'am, I tried the 44th one, but I'm not getting it.
Alpha minus beta whole square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So 144 is equal to
P square minus 4 into 45.
p square minus 180.
144. So P square is 20 minus 36. No, 36.
324. It's
Okay, fine,
minus
it's-
4
yeah, it was
minus
correct.
180. So it is 324. P square is equal to 324.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is 43rd minus 12 or 12?
ma'am,
Yeah.
then question number 44, it is difference. Whatever we get the difference, that square, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alpha minus beta whole square.
Okay.
Everyone completed 47 questions. You have to upload it by today.
Ma'am, 47 questions by today.
Yes. You have completed already.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, assignment is there.
Yeah, I've uploaded already.
Assignment is
It's not assignment. This is the place I have already created.
okay.
So 44 today, and after we complete, then the remaining ones, right?
Yeah, different this one you will apply PDFs. Otherwise, one single day it will be when you are at the end. If you start doing it, it will take long time. 140 pages, 130 pages, like that it will be.
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
do
Ma'am,
that.
we have to share it in the assignment, but there's none posted.
I'm editing it with the PDF numbers.
Can I upload it for tomorrow, ma'am? Because I should complete tomorrow. I was in leave.
Ma'am, can I upload tomorrow?
Why you are not still completed?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Tomorrow.
Why?
I'll complete till today and maximum tomorrow 12 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Just like real numbers, how you send a new assignment, like that only we have to upload.
Yes, yes.
Because till now nothing has been uploaded.
Actually, I'm uploading. Yeah, I'm doing that bifurcation.
Okay.
In PDF, I'm editing it. Sequence of PDF, what you have to upload, that is. Yeah, done that. Three PDF, one with 1 to 9 question numbers, second PDF from 10 to 19, third PDF from 20 to 47.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next part, this is all about quadratic polynomials. So whatever you have learned, this is a quadratic polynomial. Now, next is cubic polynomial, which is actually not a part of CBSE syllabus according to board, but that part is specially asked in school exams, and that too for 5 marks. So cubic polynomial, you have to learn, although that part is not there for your board exam, but school all the schools generally ask questions from that part. So you need to know cubic polynomials.
Does KV ask?
Yes.
Ma'am, our teacher in KV was saying that these questions aren't asked in the exam at all, and it is
Board exam.
Okay, ma'am.
So cubic polynomial, not much difficult, but there are some more lengthier questions. 2-3 questions are there which are lengthier, which are actually a part of AP chapter also. So cubic polynomial, quadratic polynomial, you have seen the maximum degree of the polynomial is 2. Then that is called as quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial degree is 3. So general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general form of cubic polynomial. It has 3 zeros: alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha and beta, you know. Now third zero is considered as a gamma. Okay. Now the relation between these A, B, C, D coefficients and alpha, beta, gamma is given by 3 relations. There are 3 relations. One is sum of the zeros. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is similar to the quadratic, that is minus b by a. Okay. This is first relation. Second relation, sum of the product of 2 zeros at a time. Sum of the product of 2 zeros at a time, taken at a time. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So 2 zeros we have to take at a time, multiply them, then you will get 3 products and then sum of them. This is equal to C by A. And the third one is product of zeros. That is equal to alpha, beta, gamma. And that is equal to minus D by A. It will be minus D by A. Clear 3 relations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And then if alpha, beta, gamma are known, then forming cubic polynomial is x cube k in bracket x cube minus plus minus plus minus minus sum of zeros into x square plus sum of product of 2 zeros at a time into x, then minus product of zeros. So this means forming a polynomial, if we know alpha, beta, gamma, you can make a polynomial as k in bracket x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. In this form, you can write the polynomial. Clear? Yeah.
Can we write this gamma like only R? Or this
Here
design we have to
you
make
have to
it.
write. Yeah, you're at the top. You have to make this. You can write this R at the top. You can make like this. Not.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, but in the textbook which they have given gamma, it's not like that.
It is a way of writing. My teacher told. I remember the same.
Oh, in textbook it's printed gamma.
It's like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Relation you have to remember, and this the way to write polynomial.
Ma'am, can you scroll up 1 minute?
Should we do the 48th question?
I will explain.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the next about it.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Ma'am, what are the questions in this worksheet as cubic polynomial? In that verify, it's like the same quadratic polynomial only we have to do.
Yeah, similar way to the, but there are three relations you have to verify.
Yeah, in that two, in here three.
Quadratic 2, cubic 3. All the three relations you have to verify.
But the way is same.
Way same only. There you have to factorize to find the polynomial zeros. Here already zeros are given.
Always. Man, all questions they will already give
Yes,
zero.
because you don't know how to factorize cubic polynomial.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
First question is you have to verify these three are the zeros of this polynomial. How you'll verify that these are the zeros? How can you say that 3 is a zero of this polynomial?
Ma'am, we can
By
substitute.
by verifying their relations with their coefficients.
No.
Ma'am, we can just substitute 3 in place of x.
Obviously, if 3, verify that 3 is a zero of that polynomial. That means substitute the value of x in that polynomial and you should get the answer 0.
Ma'am, is there any shorter way?
No, that is the shortest. So verify first all the three zeros are the zeros of this by substituting the value of x as 3, then -1 and then -1 by 3 and show that remainder is 0 or a value of the polynomial is 0. Nishant, understood?
Ma'am,
Nishant, turn on your camera.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So in this question, we have to verify these are zeros and then
Yeah,
verify the.
and then verify the relation between these threes and polynomial coefficients.
It's too much lengthy.
Yes.
So we did not equate it to 0.
No. We have to find it is 0. So that means P of 3 you have to find out. 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So x value we have to consider as 3. So this is x. So P of 3. 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. 27 3s are 81 minus 9 5s are 45 minus 33 minus 3. So this is equal to 6 3 minus 36. Answer is 0. So therefore 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Then P of -1, that is equal to 3 into -1 cube minus 5 into -1 square minus 11 into -1 minus 3. So it is -3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 8 plus 8. That is equal to 0. Similarly, find out for -1 by 3. Done all three?
Yes,
Doing, Doing, ma'am.
Satvik completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Pritam, are you able to do? Pritam, are you there?
The third one I'm not getting.
Not able to multiply with 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3.
Oh, I'm getting minus 1 by 9, minus 5 by 3, plus 11 by 3, minus 3.
Check again.
Excuse me, ma'am. Today we'll have class on this.
Yeah, you have. Save ID, save ID.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, also, is it possible that they might not give us zeros and still they'll ask us to verify?
No. That won't happen.
It's not, ma'am, it's not possible that is not a zero.
No. Whatever the values they have given, it will be.
And then why do they ask to verify?
Because you can't find. That's the reason. Okay, fine. You have verified.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm still not getting it.
Anurag, multiplication you are not able to do and subtractions.
Ma'am, I checked thrice, but still.
3 into 1 by 27 minus. Minus 5 into 1 by 9. Plus 11 by 3. Minus 3. So 3, 9. Minus 1 by 9. Minus 5 by 9. Plus 11 minus 9 by 3. So it is minus 6 by 9.
Okay, fine.
3 by 3. That is 1. 2 za, 3 za. Minus 2 by 3. I've done 2, it is 2 by 3. And plus 2 by 3, which is 0.
Wow.
Now how to verify the relation? So first relation is sum of zeros. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what is alpha? 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 6 minus 1 by 3, which is 5 by 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 5 by 3. And then minus b by a. So what are the values of a, b, c? A is 3, b is minus 5, c is minus 11, d is minus 3. So what's the value of minus b by a? Minus of minus 5 by a is 3, that is 5 by 3. Both are equal. So therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a is verified. Clear?
Ma'am, there is no need to check though, right?
It is done, no, both of them. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is the second. So alpha beta is 3 into minus 1. What are the values? Zeros they have given? 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3. Alpha is 3, beta is minus 1 and gamma is minus 1 by 3. So plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 into 3 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 1 by 3. This is equal to minus 12 plus 1 by 3 minus 11 by 3. And what's the value of C by A? Minus 11 by 3. So therefore both are verified. So therefore alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A is verified.
Okay, ma'am.
This
Let's
took
be
more
the
than
third one.
50 minutes.
Yes, it will take. And then the third one.
Ma'am, if it comes in exam, then how many marks will it come?
3.
3.
Just 3 marks for all of this.
Yeah.
It should come for 6 marks.
You don't have any
10
6
to
mark
be honest.
questions. You don't have any 6 mark questions. You have 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Then 5 marks.
I know they are good questions. Not this. The third relation also you have to verify. Alpha, beta, gamma is
Which
equal to
one?
minus D by A.
Ma'am, I've verified that one.
Okay, I have verified. Good. Second question is a similar way. Now the third question. You can solve the second one. 49th you can solve.
Is it homework?
Yes. Similar one, exactly same.
So all questions are these much lengthy.
Yes. More lengthy are there. Few more questions are there. Completed everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 50th question. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now 50th is find a cubic polynomial whose sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and the product of zeros is are 2, minus 7 and minus 14 respectively. And you have to form the polynomial. So what are the values they have given? They have given the sum, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, it is 2. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7. And alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 14. So these are the values they have given us. And then you have to form the polynomial. So polynomial just, this I have given you format. It will be k in bracket x cube minus, this is plus, so second one is minus. Sum alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x, then minus alpha beta gamma. So this is the format of a polynomial. In this, substitute the values. K in bracket x cube minus 2x square minus 7x minus of minus 14.
That's all.
That's it.
Ma'am, will I have class on this link?
Yes, same ID you have a class. So wait for 2 minutes.
one is for
Ma'am, can you
homework.
scroll up?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, while submitting the science worksheet or solutions, should we submit that balancing chemical equations also?
Yes, along with that, one folder of balancing and then two more.
One PDF.
Two PDF.
Okay,
Three
fine.
PDF will be there. One balancing, second one before CBSE questions, and
Okay.
then CBSE questions.
Fine, ma'am.
Ninth को
Ma'am, 49th one is for homework, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, can you
49th is
scroll up?
homework.
Ma'am, can you scroll up? No, ma'am, I want to see the thing that is up.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for Sunday's test, even this will come, right?
Yeah, till 50. No, till 47.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Till 47 question numbers.
Ma'am, so cubic polynomial is not there.
Yes. You have a Sunday test of irrational numbers and polynomials till question number 47.
Ma'am, so irrational means first chapter little, second chapter little.
Yeah. First chapter, the irrational number part we have not taken for
8
the
questions.
earlier test. So those irrational numbers and polynomials till 47.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
But it will be same 40 marks.
40, no, it's 30. 25 or 30.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
and this is 20 marks, ma'am.
25 or 30. And Sabrish, still, I think so you have not joined Maths ID, Maths Google Classroom.
No, I have joined.